Who is that woman? Who is that woman? Joseph, who is that woman? Joseph, who is that woman?
That's Susan. That's Susan.
What does she do for work? What does she do for work?
She's a lawyer. She's a lawyer.
Is she American? Is she American?
No, but she speaks English fluently. No, but she speaks English fluently.
She's really tall. Do you know her? She's really tall. Do you know her?
Yes, I know her. We are friends. Yes, I know her. We are friends.
Who's that man standing next to her? Who's that man standing next to her?
Which man? Which man?
That short guy on her right. That short guy on her right.
Oh, that's Matt. Oh, that's Matt.
He is really good looking. He is really good looking.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you know him? Do you know him?
I don't know him, but I think my sister does. I don't know him, but I think my sister does.
Is he married? Is he married?
Yes, he's married. Yes, he's married.
I remember now. I met him before. I remember now. I met him before.